Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, you want to learn how to make money on TikTok. Wow, TikTok is an exciting platform. It's even more exciting because there are a few ways in which to make money on the platform. Anyone can do this. It doesn't matter about your age, your gender, whatever. Anybody can make money on TikTok. You don't even need to have that many followers. You don't need to be a Charlie D'Amelio or a Bella or any big creator. Small creators have the ability to make money on TikTok. So let's get straight into it and let me guide you through 5 easy steps to get you guys started. The very first way in which you can make money on TikTok is through live broadcasting. Alright, so once you hit 1,000 followers, you will have the ability to go live on TikTok. Now, officially it's 1,000 followers, but I myself was able to go live around about 900 followers. So when you reach 900 followers, keep checking and see if TikTok has enabled that feature. Once you go live, then people will come into your live and they can then live gift you. Now, there are various gifts available on TikTok. Some of them are worth a little bit of money and then it goes up, and some of them are worth quite a bit. So depending on their generosity, they will then gift you on the live, which then you can take these gifts and transfer them into your PayPal account and make some real cash out of them. If people watching your live find you funny, entertaining, or just enjoying the information that you're giving out, you will then see the gifts coming in. And as your account grows, as you become more popular on the app, you'll see the amounts of gifts will also increase. So this is a very, very good way of getting yourself started on TikTok and start bringing in that cash. Number 2, the TikTok Creator Fund. This is an awesome incentive by TikTok themselves. It's called the Creator Fund, and they reward creators for making good content by actually paying them. The TikTok Creator Fund, although it isn't as lucrative as YouTube, the TikTok Creator Fund pays between 2 US cents and 4 US cents per 1,000 views. However, you have to qualify to gain access to the Creator Fund. Now, unfortunately for me, I live in South Africa and the TikTok Creator Fund isn't available in South Africa. The TikTok Creator Fund is available in the US, the UK, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain only at this stage, guys. So sorry for whoever is outside of those countries. If you reside in one of those countries, then obviously you have to be 18 years or older, you have to have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and you have to have a minimum of 100,000 video views within the past 30 days. You can then apply to the TikTok Creator Fund and start earning money for your views. Now, as I said, it's not a lot of money. It's between 2 to 4 US cents per 1,000 views. But by creating a lot of videos, by making great content, and by having fun on the app, it's really a good way to get started and start making money from TikTok, you guys. Number 3, selling a product or a service. Well, this is pretty self-explanatory, but let me kind of get a little bit deeper into it. Alright, selling a product. Say for instance, you're inspired to design awesome t-shirts or coffee mugs or key rings. Maybe you make things at home, pottery for instance. You have the ability to sell your products to your TikTok followers. Selling a service is just as easy. Are you talented? What kind of business are you in? Are you a coach, consultant? There's so many things. There's so many different kinds of services that you can sell online. Your imagination is your only limit, guys. So selling a product and a service is a great way to gain the maximum benefit from TikTok. Number 4 is sponsorships. Companies paying you to create content for them and put it on your platform. Now, there are 2 ways in which to gain sponsorships, okay? There's the easy way, and then there's, I wouldn't say the hard way, but there's another way. Alright, the easy way is Companies actually see you as a creator on TikTok. You've been TikToking for a while, your videos are doing well, and companies actually see you and they reach out to you and they actually ask you, can you feature their product or their service in one or some of your videos? You guys negotiate a rate on that, and then bam, there we go, and you start earning money from the sponsorship. The second way that I mentioned was you actually approaching companies that you feel would be a good fit for them as well as a good fit for you, depending on your niche and the style of your videos and that. And you can actually contact companies, approach them and say, would you like to feature on my TikTok? Negotiate with them and sign a deal. Number 5, and possibly my favorite, affiliate marketing. Now, for those of you who haven't heard about affiliate marketing, this is actually amazing. All right, so how it actually works is affiliate marketing, you get companies who offer creators, people online, a commission for selling their products. All right, so what you do is you register as an affiliate, you get a unique link, and when people click on the link and buy the product, you get a commission. All right. Now, commissions do vary from company to company. Sometimes it could be a few percent, and sometimes it can even be as much as 50%. So let me give you an example. Maybe my specs, all right? If I really love these specs and all of that and love the frames, what I can do is say, guys, I've got an affiliate link down in my bio. Click on the link if you want to order a pair of these frames. And what I've done behind the scenes was I negotiated with this company to become affiliate of their product, and they, let's say hypothetically say, okay, they will give me 30% of the sale. So say for instance, they cost $100, I will then get $30 of that total sale. So affiliate marketing is really a great and strong way to actually make a lot of money on TikTok or any other platform for that matter, guys. But, and this is where I say but, a big but, I would only recommend products that I've personally used, that I've personally enjoyed, and that I would personally recommend to anybody else. Alright, I would never ever become affiliate of a product that I don't know anything about, that I don't believe in, because at the end of the day, I don't want to lose your guys' trust. So I would only recommend a product that I really love and know that you guys would really love it, and I'd be totally honest about it. So affiliate marketing is a great way. There's a lot of companies out there who do affiliate marketing. All you do is just run a Google search, affiliate marketing companies, and you can get on your way. You can be an affiliate of software programs. So even companies in the US, if you're not a resident of the US, you can still become an affiliate of their company, for instance. So that is a great way to make some good bucks on TikTok, you guys. Here are some great tips for when you want to make money on TikTok. Don't be salesy. Don't just try and sell. A very big one is when you're going for the live gifts. Guys, you can't ask people who are watching your live to gift you on the live. TikTok does not like it. If they find out, they will block you. They will delete your account. So do not ask for live gifts. Guys, don't be salesy. Don't just sell all the time. My best advice is, guys, give tons of value. Just give as much value as you can. By doing that, by giving value, guys, people will come. People will buy your products and your services. People will click on your affiliate links and buy those products. Guys, really, don't be salesy. It's such a great way to make money, whether you want to do it part-time. Just get started. Just start creating your affiliate links, start developing your products or your service, and just get going on it slowly but surely. Don't give up your day job for this, guys, but there is a potential to develop this into a full-time career, develop it into a full-time source of income, guys, but it does take time. So it's not going to happen overnight, but just keep doing it. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or anything like that. If you want to make money on TikTok or any other platform for that matter, it's going to take time and it's going to take hard work. There's no such thing as quick cash, guys. If you see anybody who says, make quick money online, just stay far away from that. All right. We're going to close now with a couple of more tips. This can really work for anyone. It doesn't matter your age or whatever. As I said, it can really work for anyone. There is definitely two key ingredients that you need to be successful, whether it's making money online or making money anywhere or whatever you do in life. Guys, you've got to be patient about it. It's not going to happen overnight, and you've got to be consistent. It doesn't help doing it for a week, doing it for a month, and then saying, no, it doesn't work, and just give up. You've got to be patient, and you've got to be consistent all the time. And the most important thing, you guys, is have fun. Have fun with it. Enjoy making your TikToks. Enjoy going live. Enjoy doing all these things. Enjoy giving your audience as much value as possible. Guys, and if I've given you value in this video, if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and let me know what other tips you would like regarding TikTok. Thank you so much, guys, and keep TikToking and have fun, guys. See you next time. Cheers.